Hello friends, today in this video I will show you reset this PC stuck in Windows 11 or 10. So this is very easy to reset it. So first you need to search CMD and right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator. It asks permission, so click on yes. Now in here you need to type this command line sfc space slash scan now. Now press enter and wait some few minutes. This process will be complete. You see this command, so restart your PC and try again this command. So this problem will be resolved. And second command is chk dsk. Now space slash r. Now press enter. So now need to press Y key in your keyboard and press enter and close it and restart your PC or laptop. And after restart, hopefully you resolve this problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video. This method will be work or not, and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.